For the past 7 months, these explainer channels have been getting a lot of engagement and views. Just take a look at this channel with only 15,000 subscribers. One of their videos has hit over 800,000 views. Almost 10 of their videos have gotten over 100,000 views, and currently they have only uploaded 26 videos so far. Now, this is just one among the many channels that I've seen making this style of explainer videos and getting a lot of views. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create this type of video so you can create your own channel. But first of all, let me show you guys what I was able to create.
Coca-Cola Original Taste. This is the classic cola drink created in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia by pharmacist John Pemberton. It combines carbonated water, sugar, caramel color, caffeine, and the closely guarded blend of flavors, often described as having notes of vanilla, citrus, and spices. What makes it different—
Now, the video you just watched took me less than 15 minutes to create, and I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do that. All you just need to do is hit the like button. That's the only way you can show appreciation for the time it took me to make this video. So let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. The first step is to open ChatGPT. To save you guys time, I've gone ahead and provided a very detailed prompt in the video description below. So all you just need to do is click on the link and it's going to take you to this Google Doc file where you are going to see basically all the prompts you need to create your video. The first thing you need to do is come up and copy the first prompt here, which is the ideation prompt, and then go back to ChatGPT and basically just paste it here and click on enter. Then immediately, ChatGPT will understand exactly what you want, and then it will start giving you video ideas on different subjects, just like this. So all you just need to do is narrow your search and ask it to generate ideas on a specific niche if you have any. But if you just want to see which idea works, you can just basically go stop. As you can see here, ChatGPT says it can give you 50 titles that are more likely to go viral on YouTube in 2026 based on what's currently trending, which is a very good idea. So you can basically say, okay, yeah, provide it for me, and it's going to start giving you exactly what you want. If you want to learn how to make videos like this in more detail, join my school community. Link will be in the video description below. Let's continue. So just go through them and pick an idea. For me, I've gone through them and I decided to make a video on this topic, which is every Coca-Cola flavor explained. Cool, right? So now that you have an idea, the next thing you need to do is copy the idea and then go back to the Google Doc file that I provided for you. Then when you come to where you see write a YouTube script titled, now this is what you just need to do. Just highlight this part and then paste your title here, exactly what you just need to do. So now that you've done that, you can now copy the entire prompt to generate your script. Now come back to ChatGPT. Advisably, you can use the same chat you used in generating the ideas, just paste it here and click on enter. And immediately, ChatGPT will start writing you a very interesting script that feels like it was written by a real human scriptwriter. Now that we have the script, the next thing we need to do now is to also generate our prompt, which is going to help you create a prompt that you can use to create your thumbnail with Whisk or any of your preferred AI image generator. All right, so now this is the prompt that ChatGPT has provided. Just copy it just like this and then open Whisk or any AI tool of your choice, paste it here, and make sure you first of all change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and then click on generate. You're gonna have something like this, which is exactly what you need for the thumbnail. So now that you've gotten the thumbnail, the next thing we need to do now is to edit the video. And this step is very easy. What you just need to do is first of all, generate your voiceover using Google AI Studio, which is very easy. It's time for us to put the video together, and we're gonna be using CapCut. You can use any AI tool of your choice. I just prefer to use CapCut because it's easy for what we're about to do. So the first thing you need to do is upload your voiceover and then the thumbnail image just like this. After that, the first thing you need to do is drag the voiceover into the timeline, and then you can immediately drag a white background just like this. So everything we're going to be editing is going to be on this white background. Then the next thing we need to bring into the timeline is going to be the thumbnail we generated. So we are going to first of all zoom in to the first topic or item that we are going to be explaining, which is the original taste, right? So you basically just need to listen to the voiceover and just go to Google and find exactly what can visually represent that scene. Like for instance, I was talking about the Coca-Cola original here, so I just made sure that it's the only one on screen here. And then immediately we were talking about this, and then I just decided to move it aside and then put this right top, which is the normal style all the channels are following. After that, we talked about when Coca-Cola was created, so because of that, I had to go to Google and search for this image, and then I import it here and then add it to the timeline just like this. And then the next one we did was to, talk about the person who found Coca-Cola, so I had to go to Google as well and find an image of him, and then I added it here. So basically what I'm just doing is I'm listening to the voiceover to know exactly the image that I need to place at that scene. I don't know if you understand what I mean. And the same thing is what I did for here. So this is basically how they are creating these videos. And one reason why this niche is not saturated is because it's not easy to create. You have to be serious and determined to make these videos because it's not easy, honestly. So yeah, this is the exact way they are using to create these videos. If you want to learn how to make explainer videos in more detail, I'm going to be making a full masterclass tutorial on my school academy. If you've not yet joined, I don't know what you're waiting for. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.